Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can show or hide the search icon here on your taskbar, right? So I'm going to show you how you can turn it on or off on your taskbar. So that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I bring a tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, if you have these search icons on your taskbar and you want to turn it off, all you can do is just come to your taskbar, right? And then just right click on your taskbar. And then this tab should be opening up. Now click on search, come to search, and then just click on hidden, right? And then as you can see, the rest disappear. You have hide your search right there, your search icons on your taskbar. So if you wanted to turn it back on, just right click on your taskbar and then search and then show search icons, right? So you are showing your search icon right there. So yeah, it's really simple. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can show your search icon on your taskbar, or you can hide it. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below. And if this was your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you again in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.